A very warm welcome on this beautiful evening on Virtual Annual Day 2021. I, Priyanka Changotra, a senior secondary teacher of New Bombay City School, CBSE, heartily welcome all the dignitaries present here. Respected Shri Shankar Sheth Pingle sir, our beloved ma'am Srimati Sangeeta Pingle ji, respected Shri Santosh Padekar sir, our chairperson Srimati Savita Santosh Padekar, Nilesh Pingle sir, adorable Srimati Shraddha Pingle ma'am, Shri Nikhil Padekar sir, and the most charismatic Miss Rajashri Jadhav ma'am. But before we start, I would like to thank our beloved principal ma'am, Miss Avneet Kaur, for everything. She is like an umbrella to this institution and she holds everything with care and support. Thank you ma'am for being our guiding light. Secondly, I thank Renu ma'am for her excellent diligence and dedication in organizing today's event. And last, the women behind the hidden camera, Mani ma'am, taking care of all the technical and the IT department. Last but not the least, it is a glorious moment to extend my gratitude to all the staff members for being on the toes every time. Let's begin this event with a new grace and vigor.
पुराने दिनों के नेक संकल्प को हर सुबह एक नई शुरुआत कर देखें। अपनों की तरह सबको अपना बनाकर देखें। इस खास उत्सव एनुअल डे को कुछ इस आभासी कल्पना की तरह मनाकर देखें। हर वर्ष की भांति इस वर्ष भी हमारे विद्यालय नवी मुंबई महिला उत्कर्ष मंडल न्यू बॉम्बे सिटी स्कूल CBSE उर्फ ASP पब्लिक स्कूल कुछ नए तरीके से वार्षिक उत्सव का आयोजन किया है। यहाँ उपस्थित सभी प्रतिष्ठित मान्यवरों अतिथियों का हम स्वागत करते हैं, उनका अभिनंदन करते हैं। दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए मैं सभी गणमान्य अतिथियों को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। जैसे रोशनी होती है दीपक से वैसा सब में आप जोश भरते हैं। पावन किया दरबार को आपने ईश वंदना से, आपके अभिनंदन से दीप जलाकर उत्सव का आगाज करते हैं। माता सरस्वती की वंदना से हम कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Good evening, Vande Mataram. I feel honored to welcome everyone present here. I would like to start by saying, always remember your roots. They are the foundation of your life and the wings of your future. They are what give us the strength to reach our sky. And in the tree of New Bombay City School CBSE board, our trust is our root and our teachers are the trunk and our students the lush green. And it is to honor these roots that we have changed our name and went back to our true self. Our first name, New Bombay City School, now affiliated to CBSE board, New Delhi, from playgroup to class 12. I would like to thank all the members of this strong tree, the trust, and the teachers, staff, and our dear students, and the very special, the families of those children who have supported each other in these trying times. I would like to also thank our trust once again for the rebate and the relaxation in the fees, and all the while supporting teachers in this year during pandemic. I am proud to inform you that from last 3 years, ASP Public School is giving best results in class 10th and have seen 100 out of 100 in mathematics also. And the best teacher award goes to Lakshmi Chaya Pani ma'am, Mani ma'am. A big round of applause. Now we are affiliated to CBSE from playgroup to class 12th. We will reach more and more heights every day. Thank you, and I hope you will enjoy the beautiful performance of our beloved children. Thank you once again.
Swagatam, Suswagatam, Suswagatam. A very good evening to one and all. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all in this wonderful evening for the grand celebration of Annual Day 2020-21. We all are gathered here on this virtual annual day to motivate and inspire the young minds to showcase their talents. This is a highly important occasion for everyone, as this platform is also an opportunity to welcome all the excellencies present here and our beloved principal, Mrs. Avneet Kaur ma'am. I would like to welcome all the teachers, staff members and students who are an integral part of the institution. As we know that our ASP Public School is now New Bombay City School CBSE, and we wholeheartedly embrace this change. Let's begin this evening with a glimpse of year 2019-20 annual report.
Hearty congratulations to the student of New Bombay City School CBSE for their commendable 100% result in CBSE 10th board examination. And the school toppers are Aman Ranjan with 97.4%, Uday Rajole with 94.8%, Siddhi Podekar with 93.8%, Sumit Kumar with 95.4% and Sakshi Vijay Shinde with 91.6%. We congratulate you all once again.
When schools turned to distance learning during coronavirus pandemic, educators had to figure out how to reach and teach all students. They had to turn to new strategies for connecting with students. In this regard, parents-teacher meetings were held at the start of the year to share their concerns with the teachers and the school authority. कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद उन शिक्षकों का जिन्होंने परिवर्तन को तुरंत ही स्वीकार किया और लागू किया, परंतु बच्चों को कहीं रुकने न दिया। शिक्षा निरंतर चलती रही।
We have also come up with our student council for this year virtually, where students of class 8th, 9th and 11th were given chance to showcase their role and duty as the responsible students of our school. We are happy to announce that 4 of our children have received Abdul Kalam Award also this year. Their names are Sakshi Vijay Shinde and Aman Ranjan from class 11th, Gaurang Rao Rane and Amol Khatri from class 12th. Wow, isn't that marvelous?
Let us look at the achievement of our students who participated in the Science Olympiad Foundation examination. International English Olympiad. Manomay Mahesh Gadge of class 3rd, Laksh Amol Sawant of class 5th, Asmi Nazeed Chaki of class 6th, Rajvardhan Jaikar Patil of class 7th all received the certificate of merit. A big round of applause for all these students.
International Science Olympiad, Rudraksh Ajit Pujari from class 3rd, Aditya Bhardwaj from class 4th, Shantanu Atmaram Sarkate from class 5th, Yatharth Mittal from class 6th, Rajpal Vardhan Jaikar Patil from class 7th and Neha Upendra Nayak from class 8. All these students make our school very proud.
National Cyber Olympiad. Avni Chandrakant Bonde of class 1st, Parth Amol Sawant of class 2nd, Rudraksh Ajit Pujari of class 3rd, Rachit Bhavesh Modi of class 4th, Rajveer Singh Rathod of class 5th, Rajvardhan Jaikar Patil of class 7th and Alok Atul Kumar Khatri of class 8 all received the gold medals. The list of brilliant minds is not over yet. A big round of applause for all these students.
All India Math Science Talent Examination, Kritika Sarabjit from class 2nd, Rudraksh Pujari and Mihika Singh from class 4th, Pradnya Raurane from class 8th, Green Olympiad, Merit, Darshan Singh from class 5th, Aryan Mangesh Patil from class 7th, Distinction, Aditya Sunil Bharadwaj from class 4th. Congratulations to all.
International Mathematics Olympiad. Hariksha Sadabru Singh of class 1st received the zonal topper. Daksh Jitendra Patil and Aradhya Anil Kamath received the gold medals and were of class 1st. Kritika Sadabru Singh and Arav Kingshuk Mundal of class 2nd received the zonal medal distinction. Parth Amol Sawant and Kuldeep Arun Bhoi of class 2nd received the gold medals. And Tanya Chaurasia, Manomay Gadge and Rudraksh Pujari of class 3rd also received the zonal medal distinction. Ashresha Vinod Bhosle and Sahil Mohan Sapkal of class 3rd received the gold medals.
Aditya Bhardwaj, Rachit Bhavesh Modi received zonal medal distinction and gold medalists from class 4th are Lavanya Santosh Gupta and Neeraj Rajesh Pawar.
Prabnoor Manmeet Singh and Laksh Amol Sawant of class 5th received the gold medals and Yatharth Mittal of class 6th also received the gold medal.
Sanskruti Ajit Pujari and Lal Krishna Yadav from class 7th received the gold medal and from class 8th Gunjan Jayesh Bhati and Shweta Lal Bahadur Chaurasi.
The students of our school also participated in the Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge 2020, which was organized by CBSE and brought acclaims to our school.
While students were learning, teachers were also not behind. They were learning the new technologies. The more that you learn, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. Teachers are a crucial and integral part of education system. Our teachers have been taking online lectures during the COVID-19 session for hours and hours. Secondly, they have been taking classes continuously from the very beginning, from 21st March 2020 till date now. Let's give a round of applause for their dedication and hard work during this pandemic.
Our students have also participated in the Fit India Run, which was conducted from 15th August to 2nd October 2020, where they covered a large distance with the help of a bicycle. Students of class 9th and 12th posted the letter of appreciation to the postmaster on the occasion of National Post Office Day.
Independence Day was celebrated virtually, where students showcased their patriotism by showing their posters. Many students made virtual greeting cards to showcase their love and affection towards the teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. As students participated in 6th edition of IISF organized virtually, the students brought glory to our school by attempting for Guinness World Record title GWR.
On the occasion of World Music Day, our students made their videos playing various different musical instruments like guitar, flute, piano, etc. International Yoga Day was also celebrated in this pandemic with great enthusiasm.
We also celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi by making eco-friendly Ganesh idols. The bond of love, Raksha Bandhan, was also celebrated with zeal.
And finally, a tribute to frontline corona warriors, doctors who sacrificed their life while saving patients during COVID-19 pandemic. New Bombay City School CBSE selected parents who were frontline corona warriors. We salute to their dedication and determination. Thank you. Now let's begin with the annual day programs.
बच्चे नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे, स्कूल परिवार के सितारे, बुलंदियां छू ले आसमान की, ऐसे इरादे हैं हमारे. So let's gear up for a beautiful start of the show.
Boom Chicka Boom, from #1 Best Kids Songs by The Learning Station.
Camp songs are not just for campgrounds.
You can sing them in a car.
You can sing it to a job.
You can sing them in your room. You can sing them to a group.
You can sing them here or there.
You can sing them anywhere.
This is a repeat after me song, so make sure you repeat everything I say. I said a boom chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom chicka rocket chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time. Baby style. I said a boom, chicka boom. 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 I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Wah wah. Goo goo. One more time. One more time.
Cowboy style. I said a boom chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom chicka ropa chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka ropa, chicka boom.
Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
One more time.
One more time.
Motorcycle style.
That was indeed a lovely performance. जोरदार तालियों से इन बच्चों का स्वागत करें. वो ताला ही क्या जिसकी चाबी न हो, वो ताला ही क्या जिसकी चाबी न हो, वो गुलशन ही क्या जिसमें माली न हो, और वो एनुअल फंक्शन ही क्या जिसमें आप कद्रदानों की ताली न हो, आप कद्रदानों की ताली न हो. So let's welcome our junior Tiny Tots dance with huge round of the applause.
Featuring Shabba.
shake your hips and hule, hule, ho. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Put your hands up, souke, souke. Shake your hips and hule, hule, ho. Chapa, move us up, tout le monde qui bouge. Tout le monde qui danse. Tout le monde qui chante. Faut le bouger, faut le bouger. Tout le monde qui bouge. Tout le monde qui danse. Tout le monde qui chante. Faut le bouger, faut le bouger. Get into the groove and move your body. If you feel alone, just grab somebody. You wanna whine, say you wanna grind. Let the rhythm take you home. Ride it like you do the rodeo. When it takes you, let it go. Around the world, people dancing Zumba. Oh. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Put your hands up, souke, souke. Shake your hips and hule, hule, ho. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Put your hands up, souke, souke. Shake your hips and hule, hule, ho. Shabba, move us up, dance and dance like a shot.
जी हाँ, मुझे गर्व हो रहा है कि ये यही बच्चे हैं न्यू बॉम्बे सिटी स्कूल के जिन्होंने वर्चुअल ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में इतना बढ़िया डांस सीखकर आज आपके सामने प्रस्तुत किया है। आपकी तालियां ही इन विद्यार्थियों के परफॉर्मेंस के लिए सच्चा पुरस्कार हैं। तो जोरदार तालियों से इन बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन करें। वी डांस फॉर लाफ्टर, वी डांस फॉर टीयर्स, वी डांस फॉर फियर्स, वी आर डांसर, we create dreams. Please put your hands together to welcome our senior KG students.
Rockets in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rockets in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Yeah. We just wanna see you shake that.
Party rock, looking for the girl, she on my jock. Now stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. With a drink, I got to know. Tight jeans, tattoo, cause I'm rock. Half black, half white, diamond now. Gang of money, open up.
अगले हमारे कलाकार धूम मचाने आ रहे हैं बॉलीवुड गाने के साथ।
और सुनना है तो सब्सक्राइब करो टी सीरीज।
रब ने बनाया अनोखा ना तड़फा बेबी कर दे तू हाँ मेरा कर दे जीना सौखा कोका तेरा कुछ कुछ कहता नहीं कोका तेरा कुछ कुछ कहता नहीं लहंगा तेरा लुट पुट लहंगा नहीं कोका
कोका मेरा कुछ कुछ कहना नहीं कोका मेरा कुछ कुछ कहना नहीं कोका मेरा कुछ कुछ कहना नहीं कोका
It's time to our next performance. तो चलिए आपको ले चलते हैं हौसलों की उड़ानों की ओर। तो अगली पेशकश आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है क्लास 2 के स्टूडेंट्स।
दो, आएंगे देर से, फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो। आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले, गलती वो जोड़ लो। तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो। आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो। हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के नाचेंगे हीरो बनकर। जय जय शिव शंकर रंगूड़ है भयंकर, रंगूड़ है दो, रंगूड़ है दो। हम आए रवि शंकर के मूड है भयंकर, रंगूड़ है दो, रंगूड़ है दो। ओ जय जय शिव शंकर रंगूड़ है भयंकर, रंगूड़ है दो, रंगूड़ है दो।
शानदार प्रस्तुति, जोरदार तालियों से।
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Naina Pawar, teacher of New Bombay City School, CBSE, would like to enlighten you through our journey. Efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. We have just completed our pre-primary and primary journey. We appreciate your contribution during this pandemic. Your child's participation in various activities has boosted us to a new zeal in this session. We have shaped them with all scholastic and post-scholastic skills which will lead to the overall personality development of the child. There will be Olympiad exams upcoming in the new session. Maximum enrollments are encouraged from your end for these examinations. Soon, forms will be released. Also, there have been more number of admissions this year, because of which we have increased our building infrastructure. We are not charging any admission fees. It's minimum fees in Navi Mumbai. Let's go ahead with our shining stars, our children, together making our dream big to fly like an eagle and achieve great heights. Lastly, I would like to say, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Thank you.
हमारे एनुअल डे में अगर पंजाबी तड़का ना हो तो माहौल कुछ फीका सा लगता है। तो आप जान चुके होंगे कि आपके सामने अब आ रहे हैं पंजाबी नृत्य, भांगड़ा नृत्य लेकर NBCS की जान, पब्लिक की डिमांड। तो सामने प्रस्तुत है भांगड़ा नृत्य।
और जदों जट पग दे पे चढ़ के घरों निकलदा ना तां कुड़ियां पता की कहनी है? की कहनी है? हाय वे तेरे ते मर गई वे मुंडिया
भावें सारी दुनिया च जाके वेख लो, हुस्न मुकाबला करा के वेख लो। भावें सारी दुनिया च जाके वेख लो, हुस्न मुकाबला करा के वेख लो। फिर भी जे किसे नू ए झूठ लगदा, अरशां तो परियां बुला के वेख लो। दावा सच रब दे दुआरां वर्गा, रूप किते नी पंजाबी मुटियारां वर्गा। भावें सारी दुनिया च जाके वेख लो, हुस्न मुकाबला करा के वेख लो। भावें सारी दुनिया च जाके वेख लो,
स्वच्छ भारत को जब हम सब मिलकर जब आगे बढ़ाएंगे तभी देश को आत्मनिर्भर बना पाएंगे। तो प्रस्तुत है उड़ीसा और महाराष्ट्र का कॉम्बो। यस, उड़ीसा और महाराष्ट्र की जान संगम।
बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली।
Opportunity meets with planning. Planning without action is futile, and action without planning is fatal. Good evening, everyone. I, Shelly, teacher of New Bombay City School (CBSE), is going to throw light on our future planning and activities conducted. We only believe in continuous learning and hard work. That is the reason we did not stop in pandemic situation, and our students also did not lose faith and participated in number of events and brought laurels to the school. Some of the highlights are: our students participated in GWR Guinness World Record and became title holder. We know that this pandemic situation was very difficult time for students. By keeping this thought in mind, we have organized a webinar, How to be Stress-Free for Board Exam. And I am very happy to say that
this webinar has come up with excellent results. Our students are continuously preparing for NEET and JEE Main with the guidance of their mentors. And we are really hoping they will definitely achieve their goal and will become stars. Very soon we are going to start with School Olympiad right from the lower classes based on the preparation for higher competitive exams. And we know that with the grace of God and your blessings, we will definitely cross the right path. With this, I am Shelly, signing off for the day. Thank you so much. Vande Mataram.
Jalwa, Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell them like it is. I can't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
आग सी रवानियां,
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
She got the style in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the style in her.
Come, come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging in style. You by my side as the music is soaring. Go on shouting and roaring. Dancing on the high road.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबां को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना. हो ये जलवा, कर दे सबको मस्ताना. हर जमाना दीवाना, दिन में दौरे दिखलाना. ये जलवा, हो किसी रवानियों.
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गई अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां.
ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि